switch. All right, can you switch over to this machine? So one of the things we've been working on is taking the language tools, and actually we have a full video indexer, but we'll just start with language and translation. So in Skype today, we do language-to-language translation, and so we'll do real-time. We can start to apply this then into a product. So if I take PowerPoint, and I have a button here, and we just downloaded this off the web, so there's Start Subtitles. I can go English to Swedish, and so I'm going to say Next, and it's going to give you a QR code. It'll generate a new slide, so if we had lots of people in different languages, we could generate a few of these. If you had the translator app loaded, you could go off and run. And then what it'll do is it'll start to translate as I'm speaking. And I have, according to the guys in the back, it does a pretty good job. I'll tell over time. But I can then take my statement from Bill. What if we could build computers that one day could see, hear, talk, and understand human beings? And in '91, that was a pretty good observation. So Bill's always been a little forward-thinking. I could take the next one. The best way to predict the future is to invent it. And so over time, building this real-time translation, whether it's perfect yet or not, having just come back from a trip to Japan and having the real-time translators, you can see a lot of opportunity over time to really put this to use. And it'll get better as it learns and as I work with it. So that's a tool set, then building it directly into the product. If I go down here and I stop subtitles, hit escape. The other way I can apply this is I can translate the slide. So if you've ever done a presentation and you want to give it out to 20 other languages, it's sort of a pain in the butt. You ask your friends in the other country to translate it for you, and you have no idea what they've done. But here I can just translate the slides. Again, I'll go English to Swedish. I'll save this. And so now I have the same slides that have been auto-translated for me. So pretty cool use of taking the technology, applying it into our everyday products, whether it's Skype or whether it's PowerPoint. We have others that get more sophisticated, so we're videotaping this. There is a video indexing solution that'll do both the translation to other languages, recognize the speaker, it'll do sentiment analysis, and so sort of give some background to go along with it and help you slice and dice and edit it, meta tags. So very powerful tools that can be applied. By the way, how well did it do? Okay, all right. Microphones and large rooms don't help, but how did it do on the translation in the written piece? So it's a little better there. Apparently, some have said I speak fast. I don't think that's true, but there's some rumor to that. Can we switch back? So that's an area where, again, we're applying the technology into all of our products, and so that